The sleeve bearing is located at the end of the clutch housing. It is pressed into the housing and supports the bit holder. The bit holder rubs against it and it acts as a bushing. Over time, the sleeve bearing can wear down, which will lead to side-to-side play in the bit holder. Replacing the sleeve bearing is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nose piece. Now I'll remove the bit holder. I'll place it in the vise, gently tighten the vise, and then I can pull the drill away from the bit holder. Now I'll remove the seal from the sleeve bearing. I'll use a small screwdriver to pry it away. Now I can remove the clutch housing from the rest of the drill. I'll place a wrench on the front of the housing and remove it. And this is a reverse thread. Now I'll remove the spindle from the clutch housing. Now I can remove the sleeve bearing from the clutch housing. I'll place the clutch housing between my vise jaws. I'll place a socket that has a diameter just slightly smaller than the opening in the clutch housing, and I'll place it on top of the sleeve bearing. Now I'll use a rubber mallet to tap the bearing free. Now I can install the new sleeve bearing. I'll place it onto the clutch housing and use a socket that fits just inside to tap it into place. Now I can put the spindle assembly back into the clutch housing and screw it back onto the drill. Now I can reinstall the seal. I'll place it onto the sleeve bearing and use a socket to tap it into place. Now I can reinstall the bit holder. And now I'll reinstall the nose piece. I align the tabs inside the locator with the grooves on the clutch housing. And once aligned, I just press the collar onto the detents. And that's how easy it is to install a new sleeve bearing in your screwdriver. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.